Thank you for choosing the Editor's Keys LUTs. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to apply the LUTs within Final Cut Pro. So I've pulled in this clip of me here in Final Cut Pro, just two clips here that you can see. And what you can see has already happened. It's already kind of color graded by the default Apple log LUT. The problem is this LUT, it makes it look very iPhone-like. So what you need to do first of all is come over here to this eye. We're going to click that. And if you come down to camera LUT, you'll see it says Apple log. Now what we're going to do is we're going to set this to none. This is going to then make the footage grayed out. You can see I've just done that clip here. You can select all clips and do this. I'm just going to do this one by one to show you again. So camera LUT, and we're going to go to none. And you can see this is where we get the full dynamic range of the Apple log footage coming from the iPhone, and it's really, really good. So if you want to install your LUTs, you need to come down to here, type in custom LUT, and as you can see, I've got this custom LUT here. I'm going to drag and drop this on top of this clip of myself here. Now you'll see nothing actually changes. So what you need to do is come over to your inspector here on the right hand side, click this, and then we're going to import the LUTs. So first of all, come down the bottom here and click choose custom LUT. This is going to open the folder where I've already unzipped my LUTs, and I've already imported mine, but all you need to do is simply either go into the folder and select each LUT that you want to import, or you can click this and click open, and this will import the entire folder of LUTs. So you can see here, simply all I need to do, let's just say I want to use the iPhone log, and I want to use the one-click fix for Final Cut. I tick that on, and look at that footage. It looks so cinematic. Now we've done a warm version of this as well. Final Cut can often give you kind of slightly greenish tones. This is kind of perfect out of the box, but if you want the warmer one, click that there, and you can see it just makes the one-click fix just slightly warmer. Now you can color grade this if you want. You can also change this as well. So let's try this shot here. I'm going to click this on. We're going to add the custom LUT on again, and then we're going to go to the iPhone logs. I'm going to go on 85, and just look how good this footage looks just with that 85. No other color correction needed. Of course, if your shots are over or underexposed, you may want to change that. Let's just change it again to another one. Let's try latte. Beautiful. Let's just try it again. The one-click fix. Looked great. It was done on a sort of cool, dark day. Now, let's just say here you found this one to be a little too intense for your liking. You can actually drag the mix down, just like so, and you can fine tune it. So even if we take it down sort of 10%ish, you can see if I click it on and off, just how good that looks. So play around with these LUTs. If you've got the one-click fix LUT, you'll obviously only have that in the folder here. If you've bought these other ones, our full LUT pack, you'll see you've got the pastel tones, the sheen, the tangerine, and they just give you such good footage coming from your iPhone. You can just slap this on all of your shots, export it, and people will think you filmed with a full frame camera. So I hope you enjoy these LUTs. That's how you install it for Final Cut Pro. Let us know in the comments of the video below if you're enjoying your LUTs, and please do share any clips or videos where you've used the Editor's Keys LUTs.